guys, it's Ashley. Good morning, everyone! So it's a brand new day and I decided to pick up my camera and talk to you guys. Random thoughts lang. One of my biggest goals this year is to go out more, and that's the thing about living independently. Sometimes you just enjoy your alone time way too much that you don't even leave your apartment anymore. Well, God forbid a girl wants to enjoy her rent. I realized that, you know, sometimes I should just go out more and ask my friends to grab some coffee, dinner. I shouldn't be celebrating over canceled plans or make up excuses not to go to a function. For today's vlog, we're gonna go out more. I'm going to meet my high school best friend, and then I'm also gonna go to a festival, and also I'm gonna meet up with my content creator friends. One of them kasi I'm such a huge fan. She's actually a YouTuber based from New York. I think some of you guys know her, so stay tuned for that. And then what else? Oh, I also got into matcha recently. Actually, I've been obsessed with matcha, but the thing is, I always tend to buy outside and I never got to make my own. So I decided to invest on a matcha station. Finally, I'm going to show you guys that one and also my strawberry matcha recipe that you guys have been requesting recently. Top of the morning to you guys. So I already emptied out this part and it's so beautiful outside today. So I got some things online for the matcha station. So excited for this one. Ta-da! We got a new smeg! I just got this online from Zalora and nagulat ako na may smeg na doon kasi sobrang sulit bumili ng appliances online. You get to use vouchers and ako, ginamit ko lang yung GCs na binigay sa akin. I'm so happy. I got the mint one to match my coffee maker as well. Ta-da-da-ta-ta! It's so pretty! So, I got this shelf. This is my third time buying already kasi ang mura niya and ang ganda ng quality. It looks expensive. Next, I have my bowls and a matcha bowl that comes with the set. Sean gave this to me. This is where I'll put all of the utensils. Look how adorable these straws are. May bow sila. Heart measuring spoons. My matcha powder. I use the superfood one. My favorite glass with a lid on it. Got this a gift from my friend Chelsea. And this super cute bowl glass. A flower tray where I'll put all of my syrup. And lastly, this super duper cute weighing scale na heart yung shape niya. Ta-da! So cute! And that's our little matcha station. Now let's make my strawberry matcha recipe. I also want to try yung may real strawberries sa baba. I'm gonna do that next time.
I can't let you go, baby. I just want to tell you that.
Hi guys! I'm with Krisha. It's a beautiful sunny day. It's a beautiful sunny day out and we're here at Salcedo. We got some flowers. Yeah, just 150 each lang sila guys. We're gonna take you guys around in 3, 2, 1.
All of my friends say, girl, you better take care, 'cause that man is trouble, you best beware. And though deep down, I know I might be headed for teardrops. Now that you got me started, I just can't go there.
For tonight, we will have Echo Falls Fruit Fusion Strawberry. Clap your hands. Here's the toast to the girl I love most, Krisha. Today we will be doing a story time about our friendship. So, Krisha and I met
Way back. Ganon.
Way back.
2013.
Oh, yeah. So, 12 years na nga. So, this is second year high school. Magkaklase kami ni Krisha, tapos nasa isang group kami. Until one day, isang araw,
Paano? Sige.
isang lunchtime, naging close kami. Like, for some random reason.
Parang naalala ko na parang mag-isa ka nun. Kasi si Ashley, parang di siya bumababa ng kantin. Pag lunch, doon lang siya sa sulok niya. Ganyan. Tapos parang linapitan ata kita.
Sinapitan mo ako, naalala ko yung upo ako na nila. Doon tayo
Doon ka sa gilid. It's a may curtain.
Oh my God, naalala mo! May isa sa amin na may baon ng nuggets.
Oh. Sakto nun, lesson sa math nun.
Oo, lesson
X
sa
and
math.
Y.
X and
The
Y.
axis.
Tapos, we had to solve the X and Y.
Kasi nga, parang paano namin hatin siya ng equal. Kasi di ba yung nuggets parang irregular shape siya. Kaya nga pares tayong gutom. A girl's gotta eat.
Ano
Yeah.
ba yung mga na-realize? We shared. Kaya tayo naging like close.
Okay.
We shared something na parang, oh, wala ka. Sige, bigyan kita. Naging happy pill ko na si Krisha.
Wow!
Hindi kasi sobrang funny nito. As
Oh, alam mo,
like,
sobrang every time kasama ko si Ashley, parang validated ako. Kasi laging benta nung jokes. As in, kahit hindi ako nagpapatawa, tatawa siya.
sa isang group tayo, pero kasi anong nangyayari, mas nagiging close ka sa iba pa. Kasi kapag muuwi agad ako, tas kayo naghahawak pa.
ka.
Bawal ako eh.
Bawal lumabas.
Hindi, kasi school service ako eh.
Yeah. Oo.
Diba?
Service ka nga
School
pala.
service ako. Ako, umuwi agad sila, nakagala pa sila sa ibang bahay. Fast forward to third year, hindi na kami naging magkaklase. Hindi na ako nag-school service, commute na ako, nag-jeep na ako pa uwi.
Ang lagi ko siyang sinasamahan. Kasi nga, like, it's her first time in the commute world.
Yeah! Hindi kasi pag nagko-commute kami sa Espanya, may time kasi na kapag lumagpas ka na sa specific na oras, talagang wala ka ng masakyan at all, na kailangan mo na maglakad from sakayan to your place. Kasi as in ganon.
Basically, you're fucked.
Basically, in short, ganon.
Kasi mag-aalay lakad ka.
Alay-lakad ka talaga. Wala siyang laban kapag wala talaga kami.
Commute nun. As in,
Ready na ba tayo sa lakad? Let's go! Magtatali na kami ng buhok. Gagawin na namin yung uniform namin.
alam mo sa'yo, wala tayong picture.
Oo nga, di pa kasi uso cellphone masyado nalang. Tanda! Ito nalaman ko talaga na parang, ay, pang forever tong kaibigan kong to. Sasabak ko kami, tapos biglang nagkaroon kami ng realization. Nagkugutom ako?
Oo.
Ako rin eh.
Baon ko ata is 100 lang per day.
100 din ako per day. Allowance review, 100 ako per day. Well, andun na yung pamasahe mo.
Oo.
Eh kasi usually...
Sumala pa sa kantin.
Oo, di ba parang-
So, my rice 45?
50.
Matanda.
Basta 85 rice meal. So, may 14 pesos ka pang jeep pa uwi papunta. So, wala. Ubus na yung piso na lang yung...
Paano pag
Piso
gusto
na
mo
lang.
pa mag-snacks like sa
Oo,
labas
wala
ng mga
na.
kwek-kwek?
Yeah.
Wala na.
Kaya sinabi mo, di ba na, si Ashley lagi lang siya nasa sulok kapag lunch time or basta break time.
Gipag ka ba nun?
Kasi nga binabudget ko yung pera ko.
Okay. I get it.
Kaya hindi ako nakakasama minsan sa mga, uy, tara kain tayo after class.
Okay.
Kasi enough lang siya for lunch.
Okay.
Gets? So, hindi ako nakakasama doon. Tapos, hindi rin ako yung nakakamirenda. Diba kasi usually may recess, tapos may lunch time. Ano ko, sakto lang siya for lunch time.
Okay.
That's the story.
Okay, now I understood after all these years.
Totoo?
Oo.
Ay, ano mo naman yan, sis?
Hindi, mo. Parang sobrang shy type mo lang doon na.
Yeah,
Okay.
I'm shy.
Akala ko lang kasi parang wala siya masyadong gana kumain.
Hindi.
Parang ganun.
Mazamtic era.
Or that was like the poor era.
Yeah, it's my poor era
Okay.
rather. It's the famine era. Ang nangyari doon, sakto, wala na kami parehas pera. As
Pero
in,
parang
like,
ang mga natira lang namin,
coins. Coins. As in, pouch na puro coins.
yung mga natira sa bag mo, gano'n.
Oo. Tapos may isang kainan, pangalan niya 20 silog. Literal, 20 pesos per silog. Kumain kami sa 20 silog. Tapos, pinagkasya namin yung coins
na natira namin.
Okay, nagtira ako ng 7 pesos pang jeep ko. Kasi ito, walkable kahit pa paano yung bahay niya.
walkable naman.
So, nagtira, sige, ito yung 7 pesos mo. Pag-ipon na tayo ng 20 pesos. Para makakain tayo. Pero, as in yung 20 silog, yung isang order namin ng 20 silog. Hati pa kami namin.
Ano, sinunod na naman natin yung X and Y. Hindi ko na maalala yung order natin.
Para siyang, alam mo yung hotdog longganisa?
Okay.
Gets mo?
Sulit naman. Sulit ang 20 mo.
Like parang, kapag kumain ka, ready ka na sumabak ulit.
Parang energize
mga
ka na
40-minute walk sa
Oo,
Espanya. Kasi parang literal through thick and thin. Hindi ko makakalimutan yung naiyak ako, yung moment. Like yung moment na naggagano tayo ng coins. 1, 2, 3. Like parang sabi ko, shit, I'ma keep this friend for life. Kaya parang sobrang unreal kanina. Kasi pumunta siya dito guys sa car. Sobrang cute na parang, di ba, pinaplano namin itong araw na to. Sabi mo, your car or my car?
At least may ganun na kaming choice ngayon.
Yeah.
So, isipin mo like from 7 pesos jeep or like
Yeah.
walk, the my car or your car. Ganon.
Tapos afford na natin yung truffle pasta and yung pesto pasta na tig 400.
And no, I got this, sis.
I got this.
For me, calm.
Yeah. Here's to 12 years of
Friendship. And to more painting sessions together.
Yes.
And a girls' day like
Yes.
this. The best day ever.
Go, 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 go. Alright, you're the first people in the world here.
Guys, you know what's crazy? I just met Natasha, and then she's friends with my classmate. And guess what? We're here enjoying Daniel Caesar. And I'll catch you guys in a bit, okay? This is destiny. We're gonna take you back to Daniel in 3, 2, 1. Oh my god, I'm like interrupting everyone's video. Hey guys, we're back. Saan ba tayo? Tulong!
Wanderland Day 2, baby. This is our 5th.
Pupunta tayo sa favorite Filipino resto ko dito sa BGC, which is Locavor. But the thing is with Ashley, she's vegetarian. So, medyo challenging siya kasi mga food natin, sinigang, ganon, lechon. So, parang paano? Nice to meet you.
I'm Ashley. I love your jacket. So cute. Oh my gosh. To Ashley? Okay.
Yes, Ashley squared.
I know. My first thing was like, he has to like react for it. I don't know.
Ashley's like the matcha connoisseur. Like the expert. So,
type of leaf is this?
green tea leaf. Have you tried like extracting your own leaves?
I went to Japan and we like grounded ourselves and stuff. Yeah.
If you guys are interested with matchas as well, you can check out Nami.
Oh yeah!
Yes! I'll be putting the link below.
Oh my god, you don't need to do that. You're so cute. Oh my god. I'm so excited. Wow. That was like the Yeah, and then this is more Sherwood, and then I have on my tabby brandy, and then this one is thrifted, and my shoe mango. And then my bag is from Bianca, and then this is from Love Brown.
Okay, so my dress is a collab. Ashley with black moon. Of course, I had to wear it today. And then my shoes are like thrifted also, but
Chanel.
Chanel.
Okay.
And then the bag is from Shopee. This is